Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. I am Rayhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of English, Ibrahim Memorial Shikha Niketan, Birganj, Dinajpur. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, staying at home. I am also fine. Today, I want to discuss an important topic named email. This topic is available in English first part and second part for the student of class 6, 7 and 8. So, the student of these classes are requested to draw attention. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Email. First of all, we have to know something about email. That means the definition of email. Okay. Email. The verbal meaning of email is electronic mail. This is the verbal meaning of email. Okay? Okay. Email is a formal and informal means of communication. Actually, this is a means of communication. We may say another word that mail means message or text. Okay? So, a message or a text that is sent or received in an electronic way is called email. Okay? I am saying again, a message or a text that is sent or received in an electronic way is called email. Have you got it? Yes. Electronic mail or email is a means of communication between friends, relatives and other persons through computer networks. Through what? Computer networks. Without computer networks, you cannot send or you cannot receive an email. Okay? So if you want to send or want to receive an email, you must need a computer with internet connection. And also you need an email ID. Okay? Okay. Email. Through email, you can send not only text but also audios, videos, pictures, etc. Clear? Okay. However, my dear students, you are not asked to know, you are not asked to write the definition of email, the kinds of email, what are the uses of email. You are not asked. You are asked to write an email. Okay? So, this is very essential to know the format or how to write an email. Am I right? Of course. So, let's see the format of an email. Format of an email. First of all, you have to write here to. Okay? Here, you have to write receiver's email address. Whose address? Receiver's email address. You have to write here receiver's email address like salma@gmail.com. Next, you have to write here subject. Subject means the main theme of your message, of your text. Clear? Here you have to write within 3 or 4 words. Okay? You have to put the subject of the mail. Subject of the mail. Then salutation. Salutation. Actually, email is a formal and informal means of communication. someone, we need a salutation or greetings. Am I right? Okay. So salutation means greeting. So you have right here, dear Salma. Okay. Here, dear Salma is here salutation. Okay. You may say another, dear, whoever you send your email, whose name is added here, dear Salma, dear Kamal. Okay. Then you have to write here something. Not more than 5 or 6 sentences. Okay. This is called the body of your email. You have to write some sentences here.
Okay.
The body. Here you have to write 4 or 5 sentences, and that is called the body of your mail. Then you have to write a subscription. The subscription. Here, then you have to put your signature. Who sent the mail? Who sent the text? Whose name is added here? Whose name is added here? This is called subscription. So I'm saying again, this is the format of an email. First of all, we have to write to. We have to write what? To. Here we need to write receiver's email address. Then subject. We have to write here the subject of the mail. Then the salutation. Here we need to write salutation. Then body. Within 4, 5 or 6 sentences we have to write here. Then the subscription. So follow the format carefully and attentively and write down your script within 1 minute. Okay. My dear students, now I am going to discuss how to write an email in your answer script. That means in examination hall. How you write an email? Okay, follow me please. You have to write here 9 no answer. Then you have to start with 2. Then subject. Here you have to write the subject of the mail. Then dear something. Then you have to write body of your mail within 5 or 6 sentences. Then you have to write here yours, your, and name. Okay. In this way, you have to present this answer, this item in your answer script. Okay. So notice the format, notice the answer script carefully, and write down please in your script. Now, my dear students, I am giving you a homework for practice. Okay. Write an email to your friends. To your friend. Describing him the importance of physical exercise. Okay, write down please. I hope you will read the topic, read the item, read the email carefully and attentively. So I am finishing my class. Wait for my next class. Till then, stay home and and stay safe. Thanks everyone.